take it back to Nana's room, okay? Honey, take it back to Nana's room.
Hello. Did you get a picture, Mommy?
Doing some video.
Oh, excuse me.
Go put it back, okay? Where does it go?
Oh, God, Mom.
Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, sweetheart. Good job, buddy. Okay, let's go. We gotta take them all out again?
I want that video so bad.
Oh, no. Okay, buddy, come on. Go show Nana.
Huh?
Nana, look how many he can carry.
Oh, my goodness sakes. Oh, my goodness.